What's up, online shoppers? My new wreath just arrived in the mail. Let's open up the box and see how great this is going to be when I do my Christmas decorating. This is the Crestwood Spruce Prelit Christmas wreath. It's 24 inches and it has berries and cones. It's a little bit flocked and I am so excited to see it. Look at this. Oh, it is so pretty. I am very impressed with it right now. There is a little packet right at the back here. It's a plug-in one. So you can plug it in and it'll stay lit the whole time you have it plugged in, which is pretty cool. Let's plug it in and see what it looks like. So here is the wreath all lit up. It has these beautiful shiny red berries and the pine tips have this really pretty snow-like flocking on it. Now, this is how it came out of the box and it already looks awesome, but I'm definitely gonna do a little bit more fluffing before I put it up on my door. And I think that it is just gonna be the most beautiful centerpiece. I am so impressed with how this wreath looks. It is beautiful. It is really, really breathtaking. This one here has 50 little white mini lights and it has real pine cones and these little bright red berries, and then of course the flocking all the way around. It's so pretty. This is definitely a Christmas essential and it's already a family favorite at my house.